Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show about how to cut holes for windows in walls in Blender. Let's start. First, delete this. Now press Shift+A at plane. Now press Alt+X 90, rotate the plane in 90 degree. Now press S to scale it. I use the direction tool to just move up. Now go to Edit mode. Select the face. Now press E to extrude the plane. OK. Go to Object mode. Now press Shift+A. Add cube. Now place the cube in between the plane like this. Now I use the transform tool to scale the cube like this, because I going to place the window here. OK. Now select the plane, here add modifier, generate, add Boolean. Now select this eyedropper tool to select the cube. Now select the plane, here in this difference tab, select the down arrow, apply it. Now delete the cube. OK. Now you get the window hole. Now I use Blender Kit tool to download window model. I use the transform tool to scale it and move it and place it to this window hole. OK. Now I place the window here. Finally, I apply the brick texture to the plane and switch on to material preview mode. Finally, it looks like this. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.